Let's get this match started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots racing around in the autonomous period. All three red robots leaving. Now all three blue robots as Dupo Tigers moves off that start line. Team Rush for Red still racing around to try and score some coral. It appears though the Red Alliance has generally stopped their autos. Now we move into the teleoperated period. 12-16, advantage to the Blue Alliance. Team Rush working in that orange robot to start scoring more coral up high. They've already got 2 on L4, lining up to make it 3 if they can, though they have a bit of trouble lining up. Their alliance partner, 7452 Dupo Tigers, they have a coral in their possession, pulling up over towards the reef. They're sending their elevator up to possibly try and score it if they can. They get it onto L2, 3 points to the Blue Alliance, thanks to the Dupo Tigers. RoboBills 5176 over at the coral station now, looking to try and get a coral out from that human player, but having a bit of trouble being able to pick it up and get it into their robot. Moving over to the Red Alliance, 2506, that's Saber Robotics lining up with the reef to pull off an algae and take it over to the barge where they can drop it off in that net for 4 points. It goes in, 4 more points to that Red Alliance. Their alliance partner, 5822 Wolfbite, has a coral in their possession. They appear to be trying to line up and get it scored, trying to drape it over that L2, and they do. 3 points to Red. Finally on the Red Alliance, 9428 Cashew Chickens. They've already scored 2 coral on L4. Now they're trying to start scoring into L1. Lining up to try and push that coral out. If they can get it, that'll be 2 points to the Red Alliance. They instead go up to L4 and drop it off for 5. 2506 Saber Robotics continuing their algae work as we approach 30 seconds to go. They've already scored what looks like 5 or 6 algae in that net. 73-59 as the Blue Alliance leads, but not by a huge amount at this point. Dupo Tigers lining up with that sonar ping connected to that shallow cage. Saber Robotics looking to line up with a deep cage themselves if they can. If they can get latched on and in the air in the next 5 seconds, that'll be 12 points. Rush lining up and does it. 12 points to Blue. Saber can't quite get off the ground as time expires. It's going to the Blue Alliance with a score of 107-73. Blue Alliance also carrying the Barge and Auto RPs. Barge for scoring more than 14 points in that endgame period. Auto